Hi all, welcome to my persuasive speech. My name is Morgan Brown and I'm emotionally invested in this because I lived this life. I lived the sports life from the time that I could walk all the way up until current. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about non-physical reasons why children should be involved in sports. And I mean non-physical because we all understand the heart disease. We all understand the overweight. We all understand the coordinated, that types of things. So let's talk about non-physical reasons. First, I'm going to be giving you the age group I'm talking about. Then I'm going to throw some data your way. Then I'm going to tell you why sports are important. And then I'm going to give you a little feedback and a little how to get your kids involved. I'm talking about a young human under the ages of 18. Yes, that involves teenagers. I'm talking about them too because their mental health matters just as much as someone who's 4. Kids from the ages of high school are going through so much in life and they need an outlet. So let's give them one. Mental diagnosis data. All of this data is pulled directly from the CDC. It has recently been updated. So let's talk about it. I'm going to quote it directly so I don't mess it up. 9.4% of children aged 2 to 17 years, which is approximately 6.1 million, have received a ADHD diagnosis. 7.4%, which is 4.5 million, have been diagnosed with behavioral problems. 7.1%, 4.4 million, have been diagnosed with anxiety. 3.2%, which is 1.9 million, have been diagnosed with depression. You add all this up and you got a whole lot of kids with mental problems. Not problems, diagnoses. And we need to give them something. We need to help them. Also, this graph was also pulled from the CDC website to help solidify my thoughts here. Reasons why sports are important. Sports improve your concentration. Regular PT helps mental skills, helps you sharpen your mental skills such as critical thinking, learning, and even using good judgment. Sports boost self-esteem. If you're confident on the field, you do make a good play and you're more confident about yourself and, it's all right. Hell yeah, go for it. Sports reduce stress and depression, and this is quoted directly from an article written by Watson. Exercise reduces the levels of stress hormones in our body. At the same time, it stimulates production of endorphins. These are natural mood lifters that can keep stress and depression at bay. Endorphins can even leave you feeling more relaxed and optimistic after a hard workout. It's all right there. Right there. Helps reduce stress. Our kids are stressed out. Let's help them. It also, sports are important because you gain more family time. Families going to the games. Families helping you practice. And this doesn't mean just coaching them constantly. Spend time. Have fun. Let loose. Another thing is kids are getting feedback from coaches and peers, and so they're not getting feedback just from you constantly. It is able to help them become coachable, moldable. They learn to adapt. Communication with other teammates. We talk about communication within business. So let's help our kids communicate with our teammates because that's what it is in a business. You're all a part of a team. Sports have been linked to leadership and develop teamwork skills. What about that? Studies done in high schools reveal a correlation between sports participation and leadership qualities. You're able to practice, train, practice, win, and even lose. You're doing it together. People involved in sports are naturally more inclined to adapt a team mindset in the workplace and social situations. Next, it's a natural stress reliever. I talked about it a little bit earlier with the endorphins. Exercise is a great way for kids to loosen up and let go. Go for it. Just go be. Go play. Let's go back to playing. Sports also help form values. We all know jerk kids. Enough said. So it helps them form values. Teaches kids the necessity of working hard and perseverance while also stimulating simultaneously fostering sportsmanship, honesty, integrity, compassion, and character building because they're doing it together. Improves mood and sleep habits. Improves your mood because you're releasing all those endorphins, and then your sleep habits because you're tired. You worked hard. You trained hard. It also gives the kids the ability to connect with teammates in a recreational setting, helps them build a support system. How to get your kids motivated. How to motivate your children to get involved and stay involved. That's what I have written, actually. Let them play. Let them pick the sport that they want to play. Let them play football. Let them play soccer. Let them play tennis. They're all great. You don't have to make them pick your favorite just because you know how to do it. That's not fair to them. Play with your child. I talked about this a little bit in family time, but I love this picture because look at Grammy out there. She is defending that goal. Get everybody out there. Brothers, sisters, aunts, uncles, cousins. Go play. Praise efforts. And this is quoted directly from the article by Meredith. Praise efforts, not results. If you choose to do this, make it an experience with them. A special outing, play their favorite game, etc. Not a material choice, not a material result or praise, not a material praise. Next, watch others. And I can remember doing this and watching the older girls play softball going, man, I can't wait to be like that. And it made me want to hone my skills just a little bit better. These are my references. Do some follow-up research. It's great. Get your kids out there. There's mental things that correlate to sports being important. So let's get our kids out there and involved in sports. What's the harm?